Me, sometimes I may be focusing on the road so that I can't drive over other animals as well. All right. So sometimes you may drop a phone or anything or a hat. Just stop me immediately. Feel free. All right. Enjoy the safari. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome. Mosquito is the first one that causes malaria. So it's the first killer. Then this is the second. And even though they kill humans, but it doesn't mean that they eat meat because they are herbivorous. They just eat plants and grass. That's it. They just kill for territory because they are territorial animals. They are jealous with their shelter. They do not see any human being between them and water. They will make sure an enemy comes to attack them. They form a way of dazzling, crisscrossing the colors, so that a lion won't be able to pick as a single zebra. It will be like a one huge animal. And they also use their stripes to recognize each other. As the females, when they are pregnant, when they are about to expect the baby to come, they will make sure they have to screen themselves off out of the other herd for about 1 week, being separate from other zebras. So that when the baby comes, it will be busy focusing on the mother's forehead, counting the prints, or on the front shoulders, reading like the barcode, just scanning it. It has to be imprinted in the brain of the little one. So those few days, it will be enough for the baby to recognize the mom when they come back to join. Rhino, they've got rough skin. It's because they usually take a mud bath. In summertime, like now, it's very hot. Like in the afternoon, they will go on the mud area, spay for other animals. Yeah, because it's got horns, like a buffalo's horns, and it's got also a mane on top, like as well. With baby rhino. Yeah.
More babies.
So the other baby rhino on the first side on the left, just 11 months old. Is the eldest one, the oldest one. Then there's another one right to the top on the other side. It's about now 8 months old. 8 months, yeah. Then the other one, there's a male.
Hey, can y'all turn around though? They're so pretty. Oh, there's some back there. See if I can get it. You said it's another something. Yeah. It's a springbok right there.
Oh, I see.
You see, they feel very hot as well. You see, they're flapping the ears. You know, like they try to fend themselves. It's hot. I want them to take this.
Do they have great eyesight or no?
Yeah, that's plus or minus 50 meters away from them, yes.
Oh, okay.
But they've got a good sense of smelling.
They better with that one.
Yeah, they can smell from afar.
So do they tend to fight each other a lot?
They also move in three kinds of groups. They always move in three groups. There is a bachelor head, which is only young bulls, young males. Then there is also a breeding head, which is only females with the little ones. Then there is also a mixed breed. It's a mix of territorial males and the females that are able to. Years lifespan in the wild, but here they can live longer because they're getting a supplement, so they save energy. That's why they can live longer here. They can live up to 15 to 20 years.
Oh wow.
Yeah, the females, they don't have the mane. You know, in nature, males, they are more prettier than the females. It's just opposite from us human beings. Of course, no. She's pretty good looking.
She is. That is insane. That is insane.
Where in the world is Brandy? She's camouflage. We're looking behind the bush to find.
Wait, I see the bun. I see the bun. I see the bun. And that was so quick.
Are you enjoying the safari?
Yes.
Ah, wonderful.
Great.
Ah, wonderful.
Are we gonna see giraffes?
I just hope so.
Okay.
Yeah, I will try my best to find.
More the merrier. I don't expect them to do anything. Wheels work.
I worked the last one.
You did. You probably worked the most.
I'm handing it over.
Where'd the other one go?
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the smallest species of the giraffes that we have here. These giraffes, they won't grow much bigger in this area because they adapt themselves to this land environment, which we call it a fern-boss biome, an area with plants with fine, thin leaves. So if they grow much taller or much bigger, they won't be able to bend their necks to reach these short plants in this area. But if you remove them from this area, if you put them in savanna area where there's tall trees, green shrubs, they can adjust themselves as well. They start to grow much taller because they start to eat from the top. But in this area, they are eating from the bottom. 30 years lifespan and the gestation period of 14 months carrying the pregnancy, 14 months. This is also one of the most dangerous animals to hunt, a buffalo. One of the big five. So that one with thick horns, it's a male, and that one with the long thin horns is a female buffalo. And there's a cow in the middle. Most of the time we don't reach over.
Beautiful beast. Oh my gosh. It's my absolute favorite. And we're out. Sorry, done and done. Thanks for watching, guys, and thumbs up this video if you guys want to see more footage from this trip. I know it was a while ago, but I just have so much footage, and I would love to know if you guys want to see more of South Africa. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.